sediments are quite important for rivers because they are controlling the morphology of the channel. We know that rivers suffering from deficit of sediments are degrading their channel, and this has lots of impact on ecosystem, on biota and communities who lives in river channels. So it's very important to maintain a sediment continuity from the mountains to the Alpine rivers, and it especially the case in the Alps because those rivers are really adapted to the sediment supply from the mountains, which is related to erosion. So erosion that you can see on the mountain is not always something negative. It can have some positive effects on the channel morphology and on the associated ecosystem services.